Welcome to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday, 7th of October. Looking today, we've seen a sharp, really significant moves actually in the last 12 to 18 hours, where you saw the president of USA, Donald Trump, pulling the plug on the fiscal stimulus negotiations that they had had been hoped to come to some sort of agreement. The negotiations seem to be certainly put on ice at the best at the moment. And subsequently, we saw a sharp move lower actually into the close on US equities last night. The S&P 500 closing down. That's a bearish engulfing candle, bearish key one-day reversal, whichever way you want to look at it. Now, there has been a bit of a kickback today. Little bit of a rally going on, actually. US futures are rebounding about 0.5% higher. And that is just helping to sort of moderate some of the mood that we've seen in Europe today. Equities basically flat on the day through Europe. The dollar had gained on the back of that renewed sort of risk aversion that we saw last night. And it's just hovering around today. Little sort of move higher slightly on the euro, but generally speaking, basically consolidating really. And it'll be interesting to see basically how the US traders now start to come in and react. Because I think if the prospect of stimulus is off the table, then that is a really significant negative aspect to market risk appetite. And I think that would tend to see the dollar strengthening. Now, another market that fell sharply yesterday on that news was gold. Gold has rebounded slightly today, but again is underneath $1,900 again. So yeah, really interesting sort of jumping around on markets on the back of this news. In terms of data points, well, we haven't really got any data today. US crude stocks at 3:30. The expectation is, I should have written it down, didn't do that, 0.3 million barrels, so 300,000 barrels of build. Now, an inventory build is a rare occurrence actually at the moment, as you can see here, but an inventory build is what the expectation is nonetheless after 2 million barrels of drawdown last week. Now, not really a great deal of data, but we do have central bank speakers. ECB President Christine Lagarde speaking at 1:10 this afternoon UK time. Then also we're looking at Neil Kashkari and also John Williams of the Fed. So we're looking out for what these speakers have an impact on potentially the dollar moves, but also looking out for the euro this afternoon as well with Christine Lagarde. So that takes me on to my chart of the day, which is the dollar Canadian. Now, as I said to you, US dollar strengthened last night and we've seen a bull candle. Now that is a corrective bull candle that really does start to sort of bolster this uptrend, not only the uptrend but also the breakout support of this base pattern that we saw through September. So that's a neckline support that we've got going at 32.40 area, and we're looking for this to now start to form some support again around that 32.40 neckline support. Now the market will be looking for a break back above 33.10. I'll open this chart out to show you the sort of long-term implications of this, which is a pivot line. Look how many times, not to the pip, mind you, but how many times the market has traded around this pivot level, using it as support and resistance on so many occasions. And now currently we're testing that level at the moment. So that 33.10 mark, hold that would be an important moment once again. So we're looking for this to also maintain the momentum indicators in relatively positive configuration, because obviously what we've seen is the RSI on this recent drop back to 32.40. We've seen RSI unwinding to 50. We've seen MACD lines converging and also stochastics around neutral. So again, really important moments for these momentum indicators. So if this market can hold on to the uptrend, and obviously the support at 32.40, that is a really important sort of suggestion that the dollar recovery is still in play. So we're looking out for that, and obviously how the market reacts to this withdrawal, well, not withdrawal of stimulus, but the ending of the negotiations on stimulus, I think is going to be really important for risk appetite, and we could see that play out through dollar CAD today. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.